can't do anything. Hang on. G'day. This is a motorcycle's tale. Previously on A Motorcycle's Tale. What's that motorcycle? It's a Harley Dyna Superglide. Okay, today's motorbike is a Harley Davidson Dyna Superglide. Let's go for a ride. Okay, off we go for a first ride. The Dyna Superglide has some nice throttle and power on takeoff. The brake pedal is in a weird position. I really have to bend my foot to the left. I'm not sure if this is standard or not. It's quite awkward to use and doesn't feel safe. The seat on this Dyna is super comfortable, and I believe I can easily do an iron butt ride on this bike. The Dyna is a classic cruiser with its long, low-slung profile and iconic V-twin engine. The Dyna captures the essence of a traditional cruiser. Let's see how this bike goes during our tests. Let's see what its weaknesses are and what its strengths are. As we start our figuros, I go into the first turn, and normally I can do 3 lines, but as you can see, I'm struggling to stay inside 4. And as I come round again, I'm still doing 4 lines. And now I'm going to switch into figure 8s, and once again I'm still going super wide. This is even harder. It doesn't feel comfortable at all. It's very, very hard to control at slow speeds. As I come back around for the final turn, that was not easy. Go. And 60. Go. And 60. Go. And 60. Ooh. And release, set, squeeze. And release, set, squeeze. Ooh, that was a nice stop. Gosh. Gosh.
It was at this moment that he knew. He stuffed up.
I've fogged. I can't see. I can't do anything. Hang on. Oh, I'm completely fogged up. Take my sunglasses off. As I come back down the hill, I realised that when I was coming up, I barely was able to twist left and right. And coming back down is not much better. There's very little twist that I'm able to do. The bike is so heavy that it makes it so difficult to follow the twists of the curbs. And I'm not doing that again on that bike. So, 60 to 80, nice easy pull. Woohoo! It definitely prefers speed, as most bigger bikes do. As we go on a final ride, let's explore the pros and cons of this iconic motorcycle. The Dyna is a cruiser-style motorcycle known for its powerful V-twin engine and comfortable riding position. While it excels in straight-line cruising and offers a smooth and stable ride, its larger size and weight can present some challenges, particularly for riders with less experience or physical strength, especially when navigating car parks or tight areas, as demonstrated in the Figaros and 8s in the Twisty Hill section, compared to more nimble and lightweight motorcycles. The motorcycle I rode had forward foot controls and a pullback handlebar that places the rider in a relaxed position. This setup makes long rides more enjoyable and reduces fatigue. For some strange reason, the brake pedal is in a very weird spot, and I don't know if it's factory like that. I found the bike easy to ride in straight lines. After 30 years of riding, I finally get why Harley riders put both feet down on the ground when they come to a stop. It's because they have to. The bike doesn't want to be held up with a left foot down. It wants to be held up with both feet down, which is not normal to most bikes. Most bikes, you put your left foot down, you keep your right foot on the back brake, and you're good. Harley's seems it doesn't like that idea at all. Dynas are known for producing significant vibrations at certain speeds. While some riders enjoy this characteristic as part of the Harley experience, others may find it uncomfortable, especially during long rides. Due to its larger engine size and heavier weight, the Superglide tends to have lower fuel efficiency compared to smaller, more economical motorcycles. This can result in more frequent stops for refueling during longer rides. I would in no way consider this bike for a first-time rider or even a second-time rider. I feel that the Dyna is for experienced riders with lots of strength in arms and legs. Thank you for joining us today as we explored this motorcycle. I hope you'll join us again. Thank you for tuning into this episode of A Motorcycle's Tale. If you have a bike that you would like to see reviewed, or if you have any other tests that you would like added to the reviews that I do, please put a comment down below or send an email to amotorcyclestale@gmail.com, and I shall do my best to include it in a future video. Okay, at the end of every episode, we're going to play a little game. It's called What's That Motorcycle? Comment down below what you think is the next motorcycle to be reviewed. What's that motorcycle?